In this video, I'll show you how to open screen recording in laptop or PC. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Go to your search box here, come on and type in sniping tool. So wait for it to open up. So this is it. I'm going to click on it. So you can see I'm currently using this to make this video. So if you love to open up the screen recording on your laptop, you're going to be able to see the first option is to take screenshot. The second option is to take screen record. So if you click on it, you're going to be able to adjust it with your own preference. Like I'm using it to currently make a video for this educational tutorial I'm making now. So make it to be full. Once this full, you can be able to open the screen record here in your laptop. If you found this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the very next video.